Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show you what I have here. I have a wheelchair and I want to show you guys it came, I think these things weren't in there, or the handles weren't in there, but I kind of attached it all up. You can screw them in and then you have a nice, handle on your wheelchair. And then what we have here, it makes it super easy to fold. It's pretty light, you see, and you can fold down the foot section here. You can put down the seat right there. And now we have a full wheelchair. Let me aim it down a little bit so you can see what we got here. So we have a nice big, nice big wheels on the back here, so you can get some good going up hills and things like that. You can aim it back here to get some good traction going that way if you need to get somebody up a hill. It's definitely a push one where you'll be pushing the person in the wheelchair. There's no wheels to do it themselves. So good for that. You have the little locking pin here. That's why it's kind of going back and forth a little bit, because I don't have it in the locking position. There, and then we have a nice pad with Velcro on there and a little padded section here. We have locking brakes here. We can do this. You can see it move this little brake there to lock it in place, and you can push the button there to do that. I can sit in it here, and now I am sitting in it here. I got my feet up here. I have my feet there. There was something I did here to remove the, oh, here, I can push this and put these up here. If I need to put the arms up, I can push the little buttons to move the sides up for any reason, to just move that way. And I can put it back down again. And what I've got, it's a really nice, comfortable chair. Be good for nice short hauls. So if somebody comes to visit me and they have some mobility issues or something like that, we'll be able to put them in this and roll them along. You see it kind of rolls. I can even kind of scoop myself a little bit rolling it. It's really easy to roll. And so these wheels here are nice hard plastic there, and then these ones here are a little bit more, well, probably similar and rubbery, so they'll have some good traction. So we can take it on some of our walks and things like that, especially around the neighborhood. If I want to take my mom or somebody else there that has trouble walking at any given time, we just have the ability to use this, and it's got brakes on both sides. What else do we have here? We have a little under storage compartment here, so we can put some things in it if we need to take some water bottles or something with us on a little walk. I'm not going to put my little doggy in there, but you get the idea, and it's nice, and you can fold this up if you just don't want to have that. If somebody wants to scoot themselves along, you can kind of do that too without the feet. So you have that. And it's just a nice all-around wheelchair, very convenient, and I like the way it folds up, and you can kind of Velcro off all the different pieces and parts if you need to get them off to clean them or whatnot. So really good, really easy to carry. You can undo the little locks here again, and then I think I can fold it up fairly easy. Was it like that? And then this folds up here, and I can have it to go with me. So cool. Super easy, super fun, nice, good wheelchair to have around for sure. Just fold it up there and go stick it in the closet. And I think the way it is here, it's got those little pegs on there. You can kind of stand up. I'm not going to say it's going to stand up the best, but it can if you need to. So totally cool. Thumbs up for sure.